guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ogechi and I'm a makeup artist, presenter, producer and podcaster living in Lagos, Nigeria. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, welcome, and I hope you stay by clicking on the subscription button below and also clicking on the notification bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for sticking it with me. So today I'm going to be creating the classic nude eyes and red lips combo, and I just wanted to do this because I felt like, oh, it's been long I wore nude lips and I said nude lips. It's been long I wore nude eyeshadow alongside red lips. I wore nude eyeshadow in March this year, but it was always coupled with just lip gloss or my lip balm, when it's just extremely nude. So now I want to make it really pop and make it much more glamorous. I'm going to use red lipstick for that. So I hope you enjoy this. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up when you're done watching, and also do not forget to subscribe. So to begin, I'm going to use my Moisture Potion moisturizer on my face. This moisturizer retails for 3,500 naira. If you are in Nigeria, it can be delivered internationally too if you are outside Nigeria, and I'm going to use that, and with my Pond's vanishing cream. And although the moisturizer actually serves as a primer, I'm adding this because I want that extra long wear. My foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in 360. I'm going to use a brush to apply that. Up next, I'm going to go in with my Elegant Pro Conceal in Warm Honey, and I'm going to apply that all over my T-zones. I'm using this matte Lizetti palette, and I'm using the shade Matte Rosen, this very brown shade here, to next I'm using my Ben 9 Luxury setting powder to set my concealer. So guys, I'm going to go back in with the contour eyeshadow palette I used for my contouring, and I'm going to use that for the bridge of my nose, just to create this illusion of a very pointy nose. So now I'm going to conceal my eyelids, and I'm using my MAC concealer, baked concealer in NC 42. So I totally forgot that I've not done my eyebrows, and I applied concealer on my lid. Still guys, I'm going to go off camera to do my eyebrows. Okay guys, so I'm done with my eyebrows, and I use my Davis brow pencil to fill in my brows. It's 100 naira in Nigeria, that is less than $1, and I used my MAC NC 42 Studio Fix concealer to highlight underneath my brows, and I use my Elegant Pro Conceal in Espresso for the top of my brows. So now I'm going to go into creating this nude look proper, and I'm going to use my matte Lizetti palette first. This palette has like a lot of earth tone, warm tones, and the rest of them, so I'm going to go in with the brown shade I used earlier to contour. I'm going to go in and use that on my lid first. So up next, I'll go in with this pink shade here, and I'm using that for my lid, or on my lid rather. So guys, up next I'll go in with this very light brown shade here, or should I say yeah, it's a light brown shade. So guys, I'm going to go back in with this really brown shade here, and I'm going to use that on my outer lid. And this is my favorite gel liner in the world, and this is the Carite gel eyeliner. So guys, this is the lashes I'm installing, and it has no name, it's just eyelash. I got it at a store in Yaba, Lagos, and I think it's just one of those eyelash brands that is ordered off AliExpress. So I'm going to go ahead and install my lashes. So now I'm going to powder my face, and I'm using the ZL Studio Fix pressed powder. I recently just got this powder and I've not used it. This is what it looks like. And this is the first ZL product I'd ever spend my money on. I've never owned any ZL products. It's a Nigerian brand, and I got this powder for 2,000 naira. I ordered off their Guys, up next I'm going to highlight my cheekbones using my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and this shade Giza has become like my new highlighter shade. I keep palette blush here, this one here, and I'm going to apply that underneath my highlight. To go ahead and apply my lipstick, and I'm using the ZL Cosmetics lip stain in Inch Deca.